Welcome to the 5th Audiotool tutorial. In this session, we're going to explain how to cut, delete, move, mute MIDI fragments, and record preset patterns, in particular using tone matrix. To begin with, we load a preset in the synthesizer and tone matrix as well. We can see tone matrix includes a series of melodic patterns by default, where the last ones are empty to mark new notes. In the synthesizer, we change, in each oscillator, one lower octave. We listen to every tone matrix pattern and create another new one. After this, we add in the sequencer a tone matrix pattern track. We create different patterns by clicking with the right mouse button. Let's take a quick listen to it. We can even change the sequence of patterns. We also select patterns to delete and duplicate. Let's try to make some changes by deleting and adding new notes, and see what happens. After this, we select 1/8 note, Quantization, to cut fragments out. This quantization also allows to move all the fragments. We select 1/16 quantization to divide the last fragment in different parts that can be muted and cut. The advantage of muting a specific part is to continue making some changes until being completely sure about our definitive arrangement. On the other hand, assigning specific colors to each fragment is a very useful way to be our tracks well organized, where we can identify easily different patterns. And this also improves our workflow. And to conclude, We select all fragments and duplicate them to create an 8-bar phrase, which is going to be the structure of our composition.